Hello guys, today we're gonna present how to install the screen protector directly into the Model Y Juniper. So not only it protects your Tesla resales value, but it also will avoid having greasy fingerprints on your screen and avoid sunscreen reflection directly onto the screen. So follow me inside for the install. So before installing it, we need to know which Tesla are we in. And today we're in the Tesla Model Y 2025 Premium, so the screen will be 15 inches. But on recent Model Y 2026, Tesla increased the size to a 16-inch screen. So please be very careful before ordering the screen protector to order the right size. So in the screen protector, you have the 8-inch real screen protector. I will put it on the side first. You will have in the back the main screen protector with the guiding frame, and you will have this cleaning kit. First, let's take a look at the cleaning kit. So in the cleaning kit, we have wet wipes, a lot of wet wipes, to remove all the stains and the dust from the screen. We have this dust absorber to make sure that the screen is super duper clean before applying the frame. We have this microfiber dry wipe cloth. And lastly, we have this little tool to remove every air bubble onto the screen protector at the end. Also, for more detail, upon receiving the item, you can just scan the QR code for more details about the installation. So before applying the screen protector, you will need to go in Options, Display, and put your Tesla in Screen Clean mode. So now that the Tesla is in the screen cleaning mode, I'm gonna use the wet wipes and the dry wipes and the dust absorber to make the screen as clean as possible. I'm just gonna put it everywhere. Clean, 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 clean. And to finish the job, we have a little dust absorber. I'm gonna apply it. Okay, so once your screen is perfectly clean, you will take the guiding frame here onto the top. So the guiding frame is coming with two layers. First, you will need to pop off from this white part and just pull it out. This will remove the back cover of the screen protector. The white part, you can just put it on the side. And then you need to apply the screen frame right in front. You need to make sure that the top part is on top on both sides. And now we're gonna apply it perfectly over the screen. So now we're gonna press on each side, make sure that the screen protector attach up. Don't hesitate to add a little pressure up to make sure that the screen protector attach well everywhere. And then after a few seconds and applying some pressure, you can just take it from the right side and slowly pull. And then the second layer of protection from the screen protector will go out. And now the screen protector is fully installed. And of course, as expected, there is some air bubble left, which is why we have this tool right here to help us push them out. So let's just slowly push them out from the middle to the outside. Wow, did you get this one? And as you can see, we just finished the install of the matte screen protector here, so I will just hold exit to get out of the screen cleaning mode. And here we are, here is the matte screen protector installed. As you can see, the car is still replying as fast as it should be, so it's perfect. The install literally took us 30 seconds. It's an easy way to protect your Tesla resale value. So today we installed the matte version of the screen protector. It's particularly good if you want to avoid having any smudges on the screen, and it's also perfect to avoid having any sun glare. And for those asking, if you have polarized sunglasses, the colors will remain the same. So if at any time you want to remove the screen protector for any reasons, it's very simple. You just need to take it from one side and slowly get over it, and then it will just come in one piece. And now let's move in the back to install the 8-inch version. So for the back, it's the same as the front. You will need to put it in the screen cleaning mode here. Once in screen cleaning, you will, just like in the front, take a little wet wipes that is provided and clean the screen. And you can finish the job with the little dust absorber. And then we just take the screen protector. So as you can see, the top is on top. So for this part, you will just need to remove this protection here and then apply it this way.
Time keeps moving, we keep grooving.
And I just apply it. To be honest, the bubble went away directly naturally, but I'll just do an extra go up to remove every remaining bubble. And here we are. The Tesla is full protected. I can now exit the screen cleaning mode. And just like that, we've installed the screen protector into our Tesla front and rear screen. So if you want any more information, just check out the link in the description onto the product page. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us. And as always, safe drive everyone.